Hello friends, happy Tuesday. Actually, it's Sunday, but you're going to be watching this video on Tuesday. And sorry I look a hot mess, but we had errands to run today and we had to make the gym. So we went to the gym, so I'm a little sweaty. My hair's all crazy, half up, half fallen down, hardly no makeup on. But you know what, I had to make this video now because we have to go over to my parents in a little while, make sure they're all settled for the week. And this is the only time I have, excuse me, so I don't have time to like go take a shower and wash my hair and put on makeup and all that stuff. So sorry for the appearance, but to get this video out, you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And this is what I gotta do. So just like the title says, this is kind of a multi-store haul. So I got a few things from a few different places. So I decided to put them all together because just showing you like what I got at the thrift store isn't enough for a video. So, excuse me, I wanted to show you some of the other things I picked up on Saturday because we went to a few stores and then I had a couple things come in that I had ordered. So I figured I would just show you, you know, everything as a whole. Let me take a drink. Hold on. Thank you. So anyway, I am going to show you a few things that I have, and that's about it. And if you didn't notice, or you notice, I started doing more shorts on this on my YouTube. So I'm going to be doing many more shorts because I always have time to do a short. So make sure that you subscribe and you start looking for the shorts because they're kind of fun and I love doing them. And also on Instagram, I'm doing daily stories much more often. So if you'd like to see some kind of behind the scenes stuff or anything like that, you go ahead and take a look. All my info will be down. So the first thing, and it's not all housewares either. It's kind of multi things. So the first thing I got was from Dossier Perfume, and it's the, I can't pronounce it, Fougere Pink Pepper, which is the dupe for the Gucci Guilty. So I got it. Now they're only $29, and I have to say, it definitely does smell like Gucci Guilty. It smells really good actually. And they're $29. So I've seen these like on TikTok, I've seen them on Amazon, not Amazon, on YouTube and things like that. You can't get them on Amazon, but I bought them directly from the Dossier website, because they send you coupons and links and all kinds of fun stuff. So they have many, many, many varieties. So if there is a expensive perfume that you love, give this a try. It's $29. It's a decent size bottle. I think it's like 3 ounces. Yeah, it's 3 ounces. So it's a decent size bottle. And you can have more than, so if you want to buy like multiple ones, you're not going to break the bank for $29. So I thought it was neat. I hopped on the bandwagon, like I said, and a lot of girls were claiming that this pink pepper was just like the Gucci Guilty, and they are right, it is. And I am not sponsored or anything by Dossier, though if you're watching, I'm up for offers. But they're really, really, really good, and I love them. So that was from Dossier. Excuse me. Then I'll do this first. So then I have a huge order coming from Shein. I only got a couple items thus far, so I thought I'd show you what I have now, and then when the rest of it comes in, I will show you, I'll add it on to another video somewhere along the way. So we are going on vacation in May. We're going on another cruise. We go every May and November. And so I always buy like a few new things to bring with me. Actually, I buy a lot of new things to take with me, but but one of the things I always grab and that I bring is I always get a new pair of slippers, because I don't like walking around on the rugs in the room. I don't know, it's kind of gross to me. I know it sounds weird. And we have a balcony, so we can go sit out there. So you need obviously something on your feet. So I bought these from Shein, and they're just so cute. They're pink, they're fuzzy, they have little hearts on them. Not really a heart girl, but I really liked these for some reason. And I think they were like $3 or $4, something crazy. Because Shein is like super affordable. So I picked up a new pair of slippers. You know what? Let's open them and check them out. Yep. I mean, don't get me wrong. when you buy something like this from Shein, I mean, you're not going to get like UGG quality. Oh, you see that piece of thing that flew? They're not going to be like the quality of Uggs or something like that. I mean, you know, they're not going to last me 6 months. But for the cruise or on vacation, it's great because you have a new pair of slippers to bring. You don't have to bring your house ones. And then truthfully, if you don't want to pack them up to bring them home, you don't have to, just let them go. And that's what I usually do. I usually don't bring them back. So these would just be for vacation. And then usually I just toss them. Because truthfully, it's $3 and I don't care. There have been a couple that I did bring home when I brought like a good pair of slippers with me, but I don't really care. So I just buy those. And then the next thing I got from Shein was in the box. And they are these cute little slip-on espadrilles. And aren't they just like the cutest thing? They're like a tan color. They have a lower heel. For those of you who have cruised, I mean, there are some people who wear, you know, stiletto heels, but you walk on many different surfaces, rugs, tiles, wood floors. You're, excuse me, you're kind of all over the place. And I just like a shoe that I can slip on. Like, so usually I bring espadrilles with me, and that's usually my evening shoe of choice. It's just an espadrille. But I got these two because I bought a long sundress, which I will also share with you. And I thought this would just be great just to hike it up off the floor just a little bit. And I think that's just so beautiful. And they did have these in other colors. And I want to say it was like under $10. So that's them. And they seem pretty good quality. They do have the like non-skid soles. So I like that, especially when you're walking, I said, across different surfaces. It's nice to know that your foot is supported, because I've seen people fall in stilettos on cruise ships. I've seen people twist an ankle. It's not worth it. You don't want to get hurt on vacation. Trust me, you don't. So I got those. Oh, one more thing. And it's actually kind of bigger than I thought. So I don't know if I'm going to keep it or get rid of it. Not really sure yet. But I also picked up this cute little bag. And I thought it was just adorable. And it did come with a handle, so you could wear it crossbody, but I took it off. I used this once, so I didn't get this one with the slippers, but I got it a little while ago. But it's just kind of like it's like a pinky beige, so I figured it would go with everything if I chose to bring it as like my evening bag on the cruise. But I don't know if I'm going to take it or not, or if I'm going to get rid of it. I'm not really sure. It's a little bit bigger than what I wanted, but still really cute. So that was that. So that was all I got from Shein. So another store we went to was Walmart. And at Walmart, I always pick up kind of some of the same things. So I love these little tank tops. And I think they were Time and True brand. Yep. So Time and True. So just little black tank tops. I kind of wear these to bed. I wear these like under my sweatshirts, or if I'm working out, I wear them, and they're like $3. Oops, little string there. And they're like $3 each. So I grabbed two. And I do buy them a size up, because when you throw them in the wash, they will shrink a little. So buy one size up and then it'll go down to your normal size. So yeah, bought two of those from Walmart. Then I just bought a little pocketbook size hairspray. This is the hairspray I use, the Tresemme Extra Hold. And I usually keep one of these in my bag at all times, because my hair has a tendency to go away on its own and it needs supervision. So I always keep a small one handy. So that's that. And then I thought I would try this. So this is like a Wonder Stick, and it's by NYX. So you can use it like for highlighting, for your blush, things like that. And it is the color, I think it's like a taupe medium. So actually, I'll take it out and I'll show you. But this is the packaging. And you can use it for blush, for contouring. And I've really been getting into, like, obviously I don't have any on right now, but after I do all of my foundations and coverings and things like that, I do happen to like the creamier blush. So you just kind of like put a couple little dots and you kind of blend it in. And I think it has more of a natural kind of glow than just like, I think sometimes I ended up with like a strip of blush. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but I really like the kind that you can just blend in. because you can kind of control how much is going on and where it goes, and it just blends into your face, and I like it better. So I got one of those. Just a cute little thing I got. It was only $3. If it breaks, it breaks. You know, what are you gonna do? But it's also by Time and True. It's just like this cute little gold cross. And I had a gold cross just like this, and I lost it. And can't find it, but it's got to be in this house somewhere, so I'm gonna keep looking till I find it. But I just bought this. It was only $3, so why not? So I just bought a little gold cross. And truthfully, the Time and True jewelry, you know, it's fashion jewelry. It's not any kind of like expert quality. I wouldn't wear it in the water or anything like that, but just to throw it on if you're going somewhere, I think it's really pretty. So I grabbed that. And that is all from the regular stores. Now we are going to look at a few things I got thrifting. Actually, I got a few things. So the first thing I got, and there were 2 of them for $8.99, but I found another set of these great, like, I guess they're called pudding bowls. But I think they're ironstone. Yep, they're ironstone. And they're just so super heavy and just so pretty. And I use these for decor too. I have that in my little cozy kitchen corner. But I did thrift another pair. And these will also go in my kitchen somewhere. I will find a spot because I just love these so much. And if you're making something or you need to grab a bowl real quick to, you know, mix something in, these are great to have just on your counter. And they look beautiful. And then they're so handy as well. So you get a 2-for out of these ones. But I just love these, and I look for them every time I go into any type of a thrift store. I look for these. And I'm keeping those. And now I'm going to show you some of the things I also got at the thrift store. My hair is just crazy. I can't wait to wash it. Do you ever, like, I just feel disgusting. But anyway, I got to do this for you guys. So then I went over to, I've been starting to sell things on eBay and on Poshmark. And I have sold a lot of stuff. So I kind of look for like name brand things that are in like almost perfect condition. And I'm going to throw them on eBay to get rid of them, to sell them. And if you guys are interested, you can just DM me a message that you would like to buy it. And I'm more than happy to sell it to you directly. So if you want to, if not, they're going to go on my eBay and on my Poshmark. So the first thing I found was this beautiful Kate Spade bag. It's the blue and green striped one. And literally it is in immaculate condition. I don't think anybody ever even used this, truthfully. I highly doubt it. Let me open up and show you the inside. You know, these are like super stiff, but look, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. And I know these retail for like $150. So I don't know what I'm going to sell it for yet, but here it is. So pretty. I love Kate Spade. She's one of my favorites. So excited to buy this, but I have one almost like it, so I'm not going to keep it. So if you guys are interested, just send, you know, leave a message in the comments below, or I'll put my email down there and you can email me. And if you would like it, I'll sell it to you instead of putting it on eBay. So I got that. Another thing I got that I thought was a really good deal, and this one I don't think is a name brand. A little blooper there, but it's this really pretty makeup bag. And I just loved it. It was like kind of like white and green. It's more like a cream. And I don't know who it's made by. Let me see if I can tell. Oh, it's Clinique. So it's a Clinique bag. It's got a very sturdy zipper. And again, I don't think anybody ever used it. So they probably bought it or got it with a purchase and then just said, you know what, I don't want it. And they got rid of it. So in comes Tina to sell it. But anyway, yeah. So this way gives me more money to go out and spend more money to show you guys different things. So this is a nice makeup bag, and it is pretty large. I mean, this kind of would hold a lot, I would say. Great for travel or to like a weekend. If you're going a weekend away, it's great to just put your necessities in here. So I got that. And I think we're down to the final. Yep. So the final thing I got. And it was just hanging there, and it was kind of folded, tucked in where all the bags were. And I just happened to see it out of the corner of my eye because I saw the pink. But there's a beautiful Tommy Bahama beach bag. And isn't it so pretty? I love the colors. I love the green. I love the pink and white. It has coconuts on it. It's just so pretty. The handle is perfect. The inside, also perfect. It has this little strap, so if you are at the beach, you can, you know, put your keys on here. It does have a snap closure at the top, so if you needed to close this bag for any reason. And yeah, so I picked this up really fast. And this is like the perfect beach bag, or like, again, a weekender bag, or if you're going on vacation. And truthfully, if I don't sell it, I might keep it and take it on my cruise. I'm not gonna lie. So if it doesn't go, then it's gonna go on vacation with me, because I just love the brightness of the colors. I just think it's so pretty. All right. Well, that is everything that I picked up from my shopping experience yesterday. So a little menagerie of a few different items. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. That's just a piece of dust. I threw that down. Hope you guys were happy to see what I found. And again, the dossier, if you're looking, you know, to try a scent of perfume before you go out and spend the money, again, this gives it a nice test drive. So you can test drive it out and spend $29 before you go to the store and spend, like, you know, $160. So I guess I'm a big fan. I've done that with a couple of things so far with like handbags and wallets. So I guess I'm big into test driving products before you go out and you spend the cash on a major purchase. You can just try it out, see if you like it, and then you can go buy the real thing because you've tried it out. So anyway, guys, that is it for this video for this Tuesday. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I have a fabulous week upcoming. And I will be back on sporadically through this week with a bunch of shorts. I'm going to be doing some decorating in a short, and also on Instagram in stories and in reels. So if you'd like to, I'd love for you guys to follow me along. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.